Want to showcase your portfolio or products with smooth 3D animations? Check out the Perspective 3D Slider widget from WdesignKit's Pro plan. This widget is perfect for portfolios and product showcase. This slider creates an engaging experience with realistic perspective effects. Customize layouts, adjust rotations, and enhance your content with interactive slides. So let's dive in. Simply go to your WordPress dashboard. Let's go to the plugins. Make sure you have installed the Elementor. Now let's click on the Add plugin and search here WdesignKit. And here it is. Simply install and activate. Great. Now your WdesignKit has been activated. Now let's go to the appearance. And here you can see the Nextra theme. This is an ultra lightweight multi-purpose WordPress theme built with pure vanilla JavaScript. This is my personal recommendation. You can choose any of the theme as per your preference. Now let's go to the WdesignKit. And here you can see the login. If you don't have an account, then simply sign up. You can sign up with your socials or by filling this all details. I have already an account, so let's sign in. Now let's go to the widgets and click on the browse widget. Now search here Perspective Thread Slider. And here it is. Now as you can notice here, the Pro label. That means for use of this widget, we have to upgrade WdesignKit with its Pro version. So for that, let's go to the plugins and click on the Upgrade Pro. Here you can see the pricing plan. Check the all amazing features and their benefits. And choose the plan as per your professional needs. Once you purchase the plan, then from the checkout page you will get one license key. You just have to copy that key. In some of the cases, if you forgot to copy that key, then no problem. Go directly to the Posimith store dashboard and you will get that key from here. Simply copy it. And now let's go to the WdesignKit. Now let's go to the settings and here click on the manage license. Directly paste license key over here and activate. Great. Now your WdesignKit Pro has been activated. Now let's go to the widgets and search here Perspective 3D Slider. Now let's download. Now it's downloaded successfully. You can check it by going from the My Widgets. You will get the Perspective 3D Slider over here. You can see. Now let's see how can we use this. For that, let's quickly go to the page. Here in the page, I have already created one design using Perspective 3D Slider. You can see here. If you want to do the same, then search your widget over here and simply drag and drop. Okay, now let's understand the each edit option. Here in the content tab, you can see the items. From here you can add the multiple cards by just simply click on this duplicate button like this way. You can see here one item has been added. If you want to remove, then click on the cross and it has been removed. Now let's open the item and here you will get the option to attaching image along with title and description. This option you will get in each and every item. You can see here. Let's give title and description inside this item. Okay. And this is the extra options. Here you will get one awesome filter effect, which through you can give the attractive and engaging touch to your slider. Let's quickly enable, and now you can see here the all cards converted in the black and white color. So only flip revealed cards will appear, other all are converted in the black and white theme. It gives very unique and attractive touch to your slider. Now let's go to the style tab. Here first is the image, in which you will get the options for border, border radius and box shadow. First is the border type, so we can apply the border from here. Like this is the solid. You can see it's applied in each and every card. From here we can change the color of the border. From here we can change the border radius. From here we can apply the box shadow. You can see here. This is the blur value, spread value. This is the position. From here we can change the color. Okay. Now this is the content. From here we can give the pairing to our content. Like let's give. You can see it's applied. We can place the content wherever we want. So I'm placing this content on top of this flower pot. So let's give the pairing bottom. From here we can apply the typography on our title. I'm adding this one. The all basic option for typography. You can see here. This is word spacing. If in your title there are two different words, then you can set the spacing from this option. From here we can give the color. This is the description. The same way we can apply the typography and color for the description as well. This is the latest spacing, you can see. And this is the word spacing. From here we can use the color. Now in the extra options, you will get one option for managing the column. Like there is only one column, we can apply the two column and it will be appeared beside to each other. We can give 3 as well, whatever you want. For now I'm keeping is 1. Now let's see the output. You can see here, it's amazing. Great. So that's it. This is the perspective 3D slider. Create an awesome slider using this widget. Now if you want to know more about the WdesignKit, then simply go to the WdesignKit.com. WdesignKit is a big library of creative templates and widgets. Even you can create your own widget as well. It's supporting 3 widget builders: Elementor, Gutenberg and Bricks. Not only that, the big advantage is if you have created your widget inside the Elementor widget builder and now you want to convert into Gutenberg or Bricks, then you can convert with the single click. is having the ready widget library as well. Also, it's having the cloud workspace in which you can collaborate with your team and client. You can store templates and widgets as well. In the future, you can store your code snippet as well. So explore the all other features and their advantages. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for such an amazing videos. And always stay creative and awesome.